5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What's up, Nicers? It's Eun Villan and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are gonna make an exploration video. We are gonna explore the most haunted and scary. So we are gonna explore the public cemetery. Oh! But before we start, so baka sooner or later guys, laruin natin ito. So video board para itong Spirit of the Glass. But yung Spirit of the Glass, ginagamitan siya ng glass. What? So itong video board ginagamitan ng planchette. So without further ado, haunted public cemetery, here we go. Time check, 6:30 guys. Oh my gosh, kumukulog pa yan. Mag-e-explore tayo ng public cemetery. So, let's go! Ano masasabi mo, my friend?
Nakakatakot, oh my god.
Oh my God! So, let's go! Public cemetery, let's go! Oh my gosh! Hindi nakikisama yung panahon, guys. Mabilis lang tayo, guys, ha? Mabilis lang tayo, guys, ha? Ito ang public cemetery. Oh my gosh! Yung umuulan pa to, guys. Like and subscribe. Kung gusto nyo ng ganitong klaseng mga content, guys, like and subscribe. And share, guys. What's that? So, para akong namalik mata ng konti, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god, hindi talaga nakikisama yung panahon, guys. So, don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Huwag kayong mag-alala, guys. Pupunta natin lahat yan. Talaga nakikisama yung panahon, guys. Pupunta tayo dyan sa loob niyan. Uy! Uy, butya! Nakita nyo ba yung kidlat, guys? The French! His name! Oh my God! Ano masasabi? My friend!
Nakakatakot pong bira.
Let's go! Pasok na tayo dyan, guys. Let's go dyan. Let's go, let's go. Bibilisan lang natin, guys. Baka mo, gabi na kasi, alas 6 na. His name. Kung gusto nyo ng mga ganitong klaseng content, guys, like and subscribe. Babalik kami dito ng gabi. Comment down below, guys, kung gusto yung laruin ng video board dito. Kung gusto yung laruin namin ng video board dito, guys. Pero guys, kung may pang mahirap, may pang mayaman din. Ayan, guys. Ayan, pang mayaman yan. Hope you enjoy our video. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, give a massive thumbs up, click the notification bell to keep you updated. So see you on my next vlog. So help me to grow this channel, guys. EXO.